So dear student, in this question we will solve for volume of how many ml of a 0.05. 0.05 means 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar KMnO4 solution are required to oxidize 2 gram of ferrous sulfate. So this is a oxidizing agent, this is reducing agent. KMnO4 is oxidizing agent and ferrous sulfate is reducing agent in a dilute solution in acidic medium. So we have to calculate the volume of KMnO4 solution required in ml to oxidize 2 gram of ferrous sulfate. So the solution is given by the balanced chemical equation. But if we don't know how to balance the chemical equation and we have to solve the question in very short lifetime, then how we will solve in a little time or in a small amount of time? How will solve this question? We will apply the law of chemical equivalence. So we will apply the law of chemical equivalence. According to law of chemical equivalence, gram equivalent or equivalent of KMnO4 is equal to equivalent of ferrous sulfate. So equivalent of oxidizing agent equal to equivalent of reducing agent. So this we can say the n factor into number of mole. Equivalent equal to n factor into number of mole. So n factor of oxidizing agent, n factor of reducing agent, and the number of mole of reducing agent. So this is n1 v1 m1, n2 v2 m2. So n factor in acidic medium of KMnO4 is 5 because it tends to in acidic medium it changes to Mn plus 2. So here the oxidation state is plus 7. So difference in oxidation state is 5. So n factor is 5. And ferrous sulfate changes to Fe plus 3. So here it is in plus 2 oxidation state. So difference in oxidation state is 1. So the n factor n2 is 1 and n1 is 5. N factor, and the number of m1 v1 is the number of mole. So molarity into volume is the number of mole. So we have given the molarity equal to 0.05. 0.05 is given to us in the question. In the question, molarity is given 0.05. It means 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So the number of mole, we can convert the mass of this reducing agent is 2 gram is given in the question. So in the question it is given 2 gram. It is given in the question 2 gram. So we can convert this into number of mole, given mass upon molar mass, by the formula given mass divided by molar mass. And in this way we can solve it for, and it we can round off it as 152. So we arrange this all the calculation as v1 equal to 2 divided by 151 into 5525, and this 10 to the power minus 2 go up and become 10 to the power plus 2, and this is 100, and it comes out on solution, it comes out 8 divided by 152 liter, and this is liter, but we have to calculate it ml. So it multiply by 1000 and it comes out 52.7 ml. So I hope it is clear to you. Very easy question. We have only this idea. So we can solve this question. N1 V1 N1 M into M1 V1 equal to N2 into M2 V2. So this is the law of chemical equivalence. By this we can solve the question very easily. If we have the knowledge of n factor, then we can easily solve the question, and the molar mass, we can have the idea of the molar mass. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you. But this our question was this. We have given the molarity of and mass of molarity of oxidizing agent and mass of reducing agent. and in this way we can solve it. Thank you.